Okay, this is going to be a quick one, but basically, I uh, I had a problem with my Pro controller, as you can see. So I kind of disassembled, and my problem was that this joystick was drifting. So what I did was I opened it up, and I'll take the cover real quick, and I had some hairs stuck inside the joystick, so I quickly cleaned it using this finger, and now I blew a bit of air to make sure that there is no dust. As you can see, everything appears to be fine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it back together, and I'll do a quick guide of how to fix that Joy-Con drift like I did, which hopefully did indeed fix it. So now we'll put it back together, and the way that you lift it up is after you took all the screws, there are a bit of glue here and here right on the motors. So what you'll have to do is you'll have to pry it and take this thing apart. So you'll have to do that for both sides, and then you'll be able to lift it up using the shoulder buttons. So now we'll go for the screw. We have a total of 5 screws, which will go right here, 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 and here. And these are the first 5 screws, so I'll put those and get back to you. Okay, so all of the screws are back in place. As I said, we have one here, 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 and here. And now we need to put in the battery. So the battery will go in like this. Cool, as you can see, the plus and minus are where the connectors are. And now we need to put this plate on. And to put this plate on, we have a total of 4 screws. These screws will go right here, 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 right here, and right here. So I'll put the plate on and the screws on, and I'll get back to you. Okay, and now for the last step of the Pro controller disassembly, we have only the grips. Now the grips basically, they just, give me a sec, they just slide in. Imagine that, yeah, as you can see, there is power on, so I put the battery in correctly. Am I doing something wrong? No, this is it, that's the one. I feel like that right now. What the hell? Okay, it went in. So yeah, and we have a screw right here. As you can see, these are the 2 screws that I need. I put in all the screws, and I'll put those in, and I'll get back to you. You can see everything is in and working, and now we'll focus on the screen. So, as we said, our problem was drift on the light. Calibrate control sticks, and let's see. Okay, so previously what it would have done is sometimes it would be either jumping like that, or would be kind of going like this. But now, as you can see, I have to move it. I have to move it so that it would be able to drift. So it seems that I have fixed it. I don't see any like appearing problem, especially not like that I had before. So hope this guide somewhat helped. You can just kind of watch it in parts, like on the other way around. And it should work for disassembly and cleaning your Pro controller, so you can just use it again. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.